Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello, assalamu alaikum. This is me, your host, Javeria Binti Wali, and I'm very honest. The transport example campus experiment and the topic is topic is inside a school for society by Sharmeen Nubail. So let's start. In this TEDx talk, we mark Sharmeen Nubail shared a shocking story about a real school where small boys are trained to become suicide bombers. She talks about how these children are tricked and brainwashed by dangerous people who use them for violence. Shamim shows how important it is to give children love, care, and proper education to stop this from happening. My message is clear: we must protect children and fight against hate with peace and knowledge. So, viewers, this is my TEDx talk review. I hope you like it. We meet next other TEDx talk review. Allah Hafiz, Pakistan, Zindabad, Zindabad, Allah Hafiz.